Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be mounting the jerry cans each side of the vehicle. I want to be carrying two 20-litre jerry cans of water and two 20-litre jerry cans of diesel. I don't particularly want to be installing tanks underneath at the moment for the extra fuel and the extra water, simply on a cost basis. I just can't afford to. So doing it this way, I'll be able to carry 40 litres of water on the outside, 20 litres of water on the inside, and then 40 litres of fuel as well in the jerry cans. So the way I decided to do it is I want to be able to spread the load out along the side of the van. It's using these Airline rails. I've knocked one together quickly here, just so I can put it against the vehicle, make sure I've got mounting holes in exactly the right places. The way these work, I'll show you one of the fittings. A little winged fitting. You've got a large headed bolt, which is a coach bolt with a square face, which sits inside this fitting and doesn't move. One of the holes, and you can slide it down to the position you want. You always go in between a couple of the flanges, and then the little wings sit in the hole. When you do the nut up, it holds them tight. As you can see, not going anywhere. This is going to have two of these on, one at each end. It's not where it's going to stay. I'm just doing this so I can see exactly where I'm going to put it at the moment. So, I want to mount them as far back as I can, just simply because I've got other things that I'm doing to the cab. I've also got a shower going in here, shower and toilet, and I'm going to put a small ladder here, possibly, to get up to the pop top when it's up. So these are going to mount here. I'll get it all measured up and we'll get drilling. Right, I've just checked inside and I need to make sure I'm approximately 40mm above this edge. That way I miss the framework inside. So I'm going to take the rail I'm not using at the moment, get it into the position I want it to be. Make sure I've got a nice even gap all the way across, and then mark it up. And I'll take up the built-up frame, hold that over the holes I've just marked. Mark these ones. It's all very lightweight. Just going to give a pilot first before I go through with the big drill. Right, I put a bead of CT1 down each rail, and I put some blue Loctite on each bolt. So I'm going to get these mounted up now. Okay, they're all loosely installed to where I want them to be. So now I'm just going to pop on the carrier. That's them all on. Let's get these little nuts on. Because they're basic coach bolts with a little square insert on the back, they're not going to spin as I tighten them up. That's it all installed. There'll be a strap going up and over each jerry can. I can padlock it on the side to secure it. There's going to be a water one and a fuel one on each side of the vehicle, so if I ever do get any damage, if I bang into a tree and I damage both cans on one side, it means I'm not going to lose 2 waters or 2 fuels. So there's going to be one on each side. If you've enjoyed that, please do subscribe and like the video, and I'll be doing some more soon.